Okay, guys. Salad in a bowl, strainer, scissors. What I want you to see is, first of all, see how beautiful this salad in a bowl looks. And this is the growth, and this is only inside. I want to show you how I do my salad in a bowl. So, if you're watching, I have my strainer. So what I'm going to do is harvest my salad. And I want you to see, today is August the 22nd. And we're going to, together, see how long it takes for it to get back to this size. Okay, here we go. Take your scissors. And you're just going to cut. Now, this is going to be for me a salad today. Drop the little leaf. Now, honestly, what needs to be cut, it should be enough. And this is not cutting it all the way because it's just me for today. But I will come back probably. I can cut it today and eat. I guess it'll stay good in the ice box for until tomorrow. But my ice box freezes really quick. At the bottom, I keep it up high. So far, just with this, I hope you could tell that I've already, you can see the difference in the size. I've already cut this amount. So I'm going to cut some on this side. I'm going to cut the top on both sides. And all I'm doing is cutting the top. It's just like if you're giving someone a haircut. And this is just for today and only for me. So I'm going to have me a lettuce and tomato salad to go with my salmon that I'm making. Was actually finished, but I'm making some rice pilaf too. So, this is my salad for today. This is the salad in a bowl since it got cut. It's still full. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it back over here under the lights. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Here we go, guys. This is tonight's dinner. So I hope you enjoy seeing this. This is my salad in a bowl with my tomatoes and a few pickles and a salmon. Piece of salmon.